We will make this e-commerce 3D product effect. Before we start, I offer e-commerce development and coaching for e-commerce developers. Check the link below. First, you will search for NextJS getting started and go here and follow these instructions. You will also search for ShadCN installation and go here, or you can just watch first part of either of these tutorials where I make the setup. Search for Aceternity UI and click here and go to components right here and 3D card effect, and you can check this effect, but below we will copy all of this. We will open a new terminal. You can just do it by writing cmd here and paste all of that and enter. Now we also need to add this cn.ts file, so let me copy all of this. And I already actually have it by just installing ShadCN. So if you don't have it, you can create a lib utils.ts and paste it here. But it's going to be on a bit different directory here. So for me, it's libs utils.ts. It says here to make utils cn.ts, but it's the same thing. You're just going to import it from a different. Then we will make components /ui/3dcard.tsx. Let's copy this. And if you have installed ShadCN, you're gonna have this component UI, or if you don't have it, just create components UI folder like here, and then I'm gonna make a new file 3dcard.tsx, and I will go back and expand all of this code. I can just copy it, and then I'm gonna paste it here and save. We just need to go now on top and let's delete this cn import, and let's search for cn. And now we're gonna press Control space and import it from libutils, so it's different directory for me. Now let's go to your page.tsx file and we will delete absolutely everything. So inside of app folder page.tsx, and let's start coding. It will have only, I think, 60 lines of code. So first we will use client because we want this to be on client. Then we will import image from next image, React from React. And you can find all of this code in the GitHub below. Then we will import card body, card container, and card item from components UI 3D card. And then we will import icon star from this tab, tabler, icon React, whatever. Okay, now let's create product interface. So product will have ID, number, name, string, price, rating, and image. That will be image URL. Then let's create array of those products. So product array. The first product will be an object, ID1, name, elegant pink dress, price, rating, and image will be /product1. So you can go to this GitHub page, and here you're gonna see this public folder, and inside of public folder I have all of the product images. So this is the product 1, it's some dress image. This is the product 2, some watch. So you can just copy or download all of these images and put them in your public folder, and then you can put the URL like this. And then I'm gonna just add a bunch of more products, so you can copy this maybe from my GitHub. Next, let's export default product grids. Oh, this should be called like 3D product whatever. I just named it differently. So this is the page that we're gonna have, so you can name it whatever you want, and then you need to export default it. Let's make a return and then make a new div. This will be like responsive to all the like UIs. Let's map products one by one. I think you understand this, so tell me in the comments if I should explain, but I think you understand. And then a card container, and then pass in the key or the product ID, and then some class names. Card body, we're gonna pass in a bunch of classes, and then some more classes, Tailwind classes, and then card item, translate Z, so this is the 3D effect, so Z is the axis towards us, so it goes towards us. That's gonna happen on hover, so let's write product name, and product name will go towards us when we like hover this. Then let's make another card item, it's gonna be translate Z60, and that's gonna be product price. So you can change how much it goes towards you here in translate Z. And then another card item, that's gonna be another div, and that will be image. So source is product image, alt is product name, class name. So layout fill and object fit cover. This means that if image is longer or wider, it will just get cropped and it will be centered in this card item. And then another div below, another card item inside, and that these will be reviews. So let's say reviews, this icon star, and then product rating, and another item below, add to cart. I think you don't need to manually like copy paste these or manually write these classes. You can just copy them if you want from my GitHub. And this is what we have. So this is what we coded. I have a few products here. Thank you for watching. Check out my e-commerce building services and coaching development services below.